Today I will tell you how to send personalized email messages to a large number of people. Okay. So for this, I have opened Google Docs. Okay, docs.google.com, and I have gone to the spreadsheets. So over here, I will go to tools. Sorry, add-ons. Get add-ons, and over here I will search for mail merge for Gmail. Okay, I will click this. Okay, overview and all these things. Then I will install it. Continue. So choose an account to continue with to mail merge with attachments. So I will choose my Gmail ID. Okay, so allow access and done. Okay, now I will go to this mail merge with attachments. Create merge sheet. Okay, so this merge sheet is created. I am having first name, last name, email address. If I want to give some file attachments, I can just upload it into the drive and just click the link over here. Okay, so it will attach the file over there. So let's say I will put my own name, Kunal Paul, and email address I will give Kunal Biomedics at gmail.com. Okay, I will go to drive.google.com. So suppose I want to send any one of the this thing. Say I want to send this PDF file. I will create a link. I will get the link. So it says restricted only people added can open with this link. I will change it to say anyone with the link. So I will keep it as a viewer. I will just copy link. Okay. Now after copying this link, I will just paste it over here in this cell. Okay. So let me copy this one and paste it multiple times. Say I have pasted it 4 times, so 4 times the email will be going. Okay. Tools this mail merge. Hmm, then configure mail merge. So sender's email ID, sender's name Kunal Pal. If you want to add some copy or BCC, reply to address. Okay. If you want to enable the email tracking, you can do it. Okay. Create. So if you want to find out track the emails, you can track it. Usually we don't need that. Then next is create email template. Use a Gmail draft. Okay. Edit. Oh, sorry. We do not have a draft over there. So use a visual editor. Edit. Email. Say test email. Okay. Then I will write say, dear professor. So from here I will say whatever I want to insert. Say last name, I want to insert the last name, and comma. Please find attached the mm, required file. Okay, thanks, Kunal. Okay, then file attachments, save, send email, run mail merge, go. So it is working and it is sending the email. It is attaching the file now. See, it is sending the email. Okay, let's go to the file over here and let's see. See, I'm getting these files. Okay, so they have been added over here. Okay, this type of things, these are necessary if you want to say, if you are applying somewhere, say for summer training or say for any postdoctoral position. So what will happen is that uh, this will allow you to send large number of applications, customized application to various professors. Okay, one of the things what I see is that many students they write dear sir, dear madam. Okay, so while they are applying to me for the various positions like PhD position or research position or summer training position, this is not a good practice. So it is what you say is that if you write something by their name, it gives a more positive impact onto them. Okay, so this is how you can send automated email messages to the persons. Okay, I hope this video will be helpful for you while you will be applying um, to various organizations for your PhD or summer training positions or even postdoc to abroad. Okay, so thank you very much for your kind attention.